Recovering after a hysterectomy can be difficult both physically and emotionally, but a robotic surgical system is now cutting recovery times by weeks. In tonight's 10:15 Difference, how technology is providing a minimally invasive approach to major surgery.
How's that feel, Eric?
Julie Hoeing is an acupuncturist who is accustomed to taking care of others. But a couple of years ago, she started noticing the symptoms of her own serious medical condition.
I'd got some blood work drawn, and it showed that I was very anemic. And it was from real heavy monthly bleeding.
She ended up having a very large fibroid uterus that was the size of someone who was about 5.5 months pregnant, or a small watermelon.
The diagnosis was not a surprise to Julie, whose two sisters required hysterectomies for the same condition.
And I had one sister who had a 5-hour open abdominal surgery, and she said that if you can get it done any other way, go ahead and do it.
Julie found a minimally invasive option at Boulder Community Hospital in the form of the daVinci surgical robot.
These are 8 millimeters in diameter, so fairly small, these little incisions. And then an open incision is, about that.
Dr. Lisa Lapine has performed about 80 laparoscopic surgeries with the daVinci robot. It allows up to 4 devices and a high-definition 3D camera to be inserted through small incisions in the abdomen.
We have little scissors, we have a coagulation device, we have graspers.
Even a rotary blade that allows the uterus to be removed in small sections through the same incisions. Dr. Lapine says this new technique offers several advantages.
There's generally less blood loss. Again, there's fewer incisions. The healing time is much, much more rapid. Often women will go back to work in maybe 1 week or 2 as opposed to 4 to 6 weeks.
In fact, Julie was back to work in just 6 days.
It made a huge difference in my life, just really changed my energy level, and within a couple weeks I was up and doing just anything I wanted to do.
Now, Dr. Lapine hopes the shorter recovery time will encourage women to have the procedure done earlier rather than waiting and suffering with their symptoms. This technology can be used for several other types of surgery as well, and you can find more information on the denverchannel.com. Just click on Staying Healthy. The first